Hey guys, John here at What Toolbox, and this week I've got for you a brand new toolbox to the market, and it's the Erbauer Connex Drawers. This took me by surprise. I didn't know this was coming, and it appeared on shelves last week. You can get these in your B&Q stores, and it's on the B&Q website at the moment. We'll put a link in the description. And it's pretty exciting to have this in the UK. This is the first drawer box that can be on wheels. Now, they don't even say that on the website. There is no mention currently on the link on B&Q that this can be a rolling drawer box, but believe me, it can be, and I've tested it. So, first thing to mention, it is a Connex box. It integrates with the full Erbauer Connex box system, which also means it integrates with every other system, which is the same box rebadged. And if you don't know what that means, go and watch this video here. We did a full roundup of the site system made by Kita, but rebadged with loads of different brands. So we've got a rigid one behind me, we've got the JCB, we've got Erbauer, I've got another JCB, that's the version 1, this is the version 2, and there's loads of other brands that use this kind of mold with a different badge. So if you want to see that, go and watch the video. We'll put a link up here. This box, however, this drawer box is the first generation 2 molding used. So this integrates with the existing setup, and it integrates with the crate and with the organizer. We've got these here, but it's actually a generation 2 box, which means on the back you've got these 2 fix and go hooks. Now what does that mean? Well, it means it can mount on the wall. You can get special fix and go brackets. You put them on the wall, you can mount the box. We've done that with this. This is the JCB site system, and this is the full generation 2 box. Now the JCB site system does have drawers coming soon, but they're not here yet. I don't know when they're going to be here. They were supposed to be coming in April. They're not quite here yet, and we're now moving into May. However, this is the Generation 2 JCB box with the fix and go, and it will allow me to show you what's special about it. And what it's leading me to believe is that the Erbauer Connex is probably going to move to a Generation 2 very soon as well. I've just been down to my local B&Q just to check all of the other boxes on the shelf, just to make double sure every other Connex box other than the drawers is still a Generation 1, which means the wheels are molded into the bottom box. The Generation 2, however, is this. You tip it forward, you squeeze this little trigger here, you pull that handle, and the wheels drop off the bottom box. They're not molded, they're not attached. And the Erbauer Connex box here, although they don't advertise it or they don't describe it as such, this attaches. And for me, that is pretty exciting. That is one of the first rolling drawer boxes in the UK. The only other one I know of is the Kubrick system. Kubrick had a rolling drawer box a couple of months ago, but now we've got Erbauer. And if you're already invested in the Connex system, or you've already got a couple of these Kita boxes or JCB or whatever you've got, you can now get a drawer. And it's a really good drawer. Loads of space. I really like the Connex system because of the value. $74.99 for a drawer box. One of the cheapest drawer boxes on the market. Certainly the cheapest rolling drawer box. They've only got the 2 deep drawer model. As you'd expect, we do have shadow foam inserts, primed and ready. We'll put a link in the description, but if you buy this box, you want to organise the drawers, you can get twin packs of shadow foam in any of the 10 colours, and they just slot in the drawer, make it dead easy to organise your tools. Now, this is the first drawer box from Connex, but what I'm hoping to see is that they bring out the 3 drawer. I had to go all the way to America to buy this. This is the rigid 3 drawer. You've got 2 shallow drawers, 1 deep drawer, and again, it's the exact same moulding. It's a Generation 2. This is the rigid 2.0 system, and you've got these 2 fix and go points. You can put this on wheels and you can have a rolling drawer box. So whichever system you've got, if it's the rigid Gen 2, if it's the JCB site system, they all stack, integrate, they connect as you'd expect. And there we go, $74.99, and you've got a drawer box. If you buy the site system stack, we'll put a link for this as well. You can unhook the car, attach it to your drawers. You've got a rolling drawer box, and I think that is something pretty special. So that is the Connex system. Let me know in the comments if you're thinking about picking one of those up. And if you've got a pretty cool setup or a toolbox setup, share your pictures over on Instagram. We've got a new Instagram account, What Toolbox. Tag me in your pictures, we'll reshare them. It's just great to see as well how you're using this Kita range of boxes. If you've got a mixture of brands, let me know. I'd love to see it. So this is What Toolbox, the #1 place for toolbox news and the latest toolbox updates. We have every toolbox here in-house. We don't just get the latest updates, we can also do the full comparisons. The only place on the internet with every single toolbox. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something, and we'll see you next time.